Hey everyone, my name's Eric. I'm a solutions engineer here at Particle, and today I'm going to talk about Cloud Secrets, a feature of the Particle console. So, Cloud Secrets are not only a great place to store API keys, access tokens, or sensitive data, they're also a good place to set something once and use it across different Particle resources. So, for example, in this example, I'm going to talk about the InfluxDB integration, time series database integration that I have configured for a Particle project of mine. I've got a number of different secrets stored in my sandbox organization for the InfluxDB integration, and in this case, it's got the API key, the Influx bucket, and the Influx organization. You can also see a number of different secrets that are already stored in my sandbox organization. These are used across different projects. So that brings me to a good point that it's worth mentioning that cloud secrets are at the organization level, they're not at the project level. And you'll set them once and be able to use them across different projects if needed. In the Cloud Secrets navigation pane here, which you can get to on the left, under configuration, you have the secrets configuration option. You'll see a list of all your secrets. You'll see the number of times that they've been used, when they've last been updated, when they have last been accessed, and you can edit, delete, create new secrets, and so on. It's worth mentioning that you won't be able to read back a secret once it's been created. So if we go to the secret details, for example, the values are hidden. So once you set it, make sure that you've stored it and you're able to get to it again. Otherwise, you'll have to overwrite it, which is not the end of the world, but it's the most secure way to go about it. I've set those secrets once, and I can go back to my console. I've got my custom webhook integration with the InfluxDB time series database endpoint configured. The rest should look the same. It's got same as you should be familiar with a webhook integration. It's got the data event name that it's being hooked to. It's given it a name of InfluxDB. It fires on a post request, and here's the endpoint that's the API is wired to. Now, if we scroll down, you have the option for the cloud secrets. We can wire in a number of secrets. In this case, I've chosen every secret that is prefixed with the Influx name, the API key, the organization, and the bucket. And so those are enabling the secret as an option for this integration, but I'll scroll down here and show you where they're actually being used. So in mustache notation, bracket notation, there's the Influx organization that's being passed in as a query parameter for the org ID key. Same with the Influx bucket name. And then if we scroll down to the HTTP headers where I have my authorization, I've got the API key wired up. The way these are wired up is not specific to the secrets implementation, but specific to how a custom webhook would be configured with authorization in this case. This could be used across different Particle resources, so not only in the custom webhook, but for example in a logic block. And the power here is that you can set it once in the secrets panel and use the same API key in both logic and a custom integration, and the next time you update it, you just update it once. You don't have to update it across your entire environment. So I hope that inspires you to give secrets a try. It's by far the most secure way and programmatically kind of the correct way to go about handling sensitive values, like I said, such as API keys, access tokens, etc., or even just values that you want to be uniformed across all of your Particle resources. So give secrets a try in your next project.